What's up, guys? This is Ashley. So today we're going to be doing cocktail meatballs. So beef in the bowl and 200 grams chicken. Sauce to the bowl. So just add red sauce to the bowl and then add this to the mixture. So I'm just gonna add that in. I'm just going straight into the mixing. So it might be a bit uncomfortable if you don't like using your hands too much. You can use a wooden spoon if you would prefer. So I'm just going to do this. It's quite a texture. Gosh. They are wet enough to be juicy. A small size, like just like that, and then with your palms just go straight like that, and then you see nice round bowl. One, sesame oil. So sesame oil in, ready. So let's make sure it's starting to have a white layer, and that's what you're looking for. Time to add them into the oven. So add each one. Add the oil. For the sauce you need dark brown sugar. So I have my sugar here, and if you only have brown sugar, don't worry, and if you have molasses, don't worry, you can just mix sugar and the molasses together, and then you get your old-fashioned brown sugar, which is another hack that you can use for your own recipes. So you can find this at any supermarkets. It's there, I presume. So I'm just going to add pepper and garlic powder to the sugar. Just gonna add that red wine vinegar in there. There you go. Worcestershire sauce. I mix this together. Mix that in together, just like that, and there you go. So it looks like this. So if you want to try that out, you can try that out, because with this I can control all the acidity. To add the mixture that we had here, like that, and there you go, and then mix that up to get all the nice flavor will be tagged into the sauce. So I'm going to show you how this will look on a plate. So I'm just going to arrange. And just stack them on top, just for it to make it easier for your mouth. There you go.